Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the objective questions answers of chapter 7, that is simple machine. Last day, we had discussed about the multiple choice questions and some other question answers. Now today we are going to discuss about the rest of the remaining of objective questions from quick assignment. So here let's begin from question number A, that is state T for true and F for false against the given statement. So number 1, all simple machines increase force. The answer is false. No, all simple machines don't increase force, they have different functions. Next question 2. A pulley changes the direction of force. This answer is true. Yes, we pull the rope downside, but it will take the load upside. In most cases, it will take the load upside. So we are using our force in the downside direction, but it is working in the upside direction. So here the answer is true. It will change the direction of force. Next question, a car is a simple machine. The answer is false. A car is a not a simple machine. You can say it a machine or a complex machine, because a car have several parts, combination of simple machine, several type of simple machines. A car, several type of simple machines combined together, and then a car is formed. So car is not a simple machine, car is a complex machine, or you can say car is a machine. So this answer is, that is car is a simple machine, is false. Next question, it is easier to push up a load on a steep slope. So if you push a load on a steep slope, so it is not easier to push a load. So answer is false. Answer is false. It is not easier to push a load on a steep slope. Okay, a steep slope means like this, the slope is like this. If it is like this, it will become inclined plane, but it is like this. So here you have to push the load, so it is not easy to push on a steep slope. But if the slope is like that, it becomes an inclined plane, so it is easier to push, but here it is not easier to push. So here is the thing, that the answer is false. It is not easier to push a load on a steep slope. Next question number 5. A wheel is a simple machine. Yes, a wheel is a simple machine which is invented by the early man, and by the invention of wheel their civilization moved a lot forward. You will learn that in history. Here we are just going to study about machine. So a wheel is a simple machine. Answer is a true. Yes, a wheel is a simple machine. Now next is fill in the blanks. Dash planes are also called ramps. Dash planes are also called ramps. The answer is inclined plane. Inclined plane are also called ramps. Next question. A simple machine makes our work easier. The answer is easier. A simple machine makes our work easier. Next question. The dash that we apply on the lever is called effort. The answer is force. The force or the push or pull that we apply on the lever is called effort. Next question. A screw is an dash plane that goes round and round a rod. So a screw is an inclined plane that goes round and round a rod. Suppose if this is a rod, so here if you observe, here it is, the shape is round and round. Okay, so this inclined plane is wrapped around a rod. This inclined plane is wrapped around a rod, so that becomes a screw. Next question is, a dash becomes a machine when it is combined with an axle? The answer is wheel. In the chapter we learned wheel and axle. So when a wheel is attached with an axle or a rod, so it becomes a machine. The best example is sewing machine. Okay, so a wheel becomes a machine when it is combined with an axle. So class, I hope you are able to understand the remaining objective question answer of this chapter, that is chapter 7. If any problem, class, ask me. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.